Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So this app is on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So head over to your Google Play Store, and when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app. It's known as Tik Tunnel. So this is the name of the VPN app we're gonna set up. It is Tik Tunnel Pro. So you install this app on your device. Take note of the app icon, take note of the app name, and after that install the app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection, add the extra layer of security, and also this app will enhance on your online activities when you are using the internet. So to set up the app, you must open it. So you open the app, and when you open the app it will land on its home screen where the setup begins. And in case you are new on this channel, you are welcome. And before we dive deep into the setup, please you like this video, subscribe on this channel for more content. So when you reach in the app interface, you will be required to tap on this update button. As you can see, it is the update resources button. So you tap on it, and when you tap on it, the app will start to check for the available updates, and it will update to the latest version, giving you the best service when you are connecting to the internet. So after updating the app resources, you are required to do another setting, and the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So you tap here where you see auto server. First of all, you look for server, then auto server. Tap here. Among the presented, pick any server you prefer. And for today's guide, I recommend you to pick auto server. This is because the app will automatically pick the best working server in your location. So you can pick a server manually, but for today's guide, I recommend you to pick auto select server option. So the other setting is you are required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, we are gonna pick the all countries unlimited. So you can tap here. Then if that option is not working for you, you can search here in the search bar. You search for your country. For example, if you are from Ethiopia, you can search for Ethiopia and it will be given to you. But for today's guide, we are gonna use the all countries option. This is because this option is working for all countries. It is tailored, the setting tailored in this option, it will work in your country. And please note that if it is not working for you, pick your country name among the presented list. And after that, you are required to insert a secure connection. And to insert a super fast and a secure connection, you are required tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to establish a connection. And right up here, you can see that the app is connected, and it is connected via UDP. So in case your country supports UDP, this app will definitely work for you. And right now our connection is secured, and that's how we set up Tik Tunnel Pro VPN with all countries UDP settings to secure our online connection, add extra layer of security when we are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.